Welcome back to GitHub Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to access Bing Chatbot AI on Chrome. So first you need to open this one Chrome browser on your PC. After that, right click anywhere on the browser and select inspect option. This one inspect option. Then here click on this one three dots button, customize and control developer tools. Then select more tools. Here select network conditions. Now scroll down to the bottom and uncheck this option, use browser default. Uncheck this option. After that, you need to select here Microsoft Edge Chromium Windows. That's all. Now close this one and you can start using Bing Chatbot in Chrome browser. Let me try. After opening the Bing, click on this one chat button and you can ask any question. Just let me say hi and AI bot will reply to you. In case it does not work for you, you can always download the extension from Chrome Store and use Bing Chatbot on your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel GitHub Windows, kindly subscribe. And if you are an old customer, then press thumbs up and share this video if it is helpful to you. Thanks. Bye bye.